Janhvi Kapoor's peachy, nude, glam and waterfall waves work like magic. Janhvi Kapoor was a total stunner, spring ready peachy nude look. Janhvi Kapoor looked like the star that she is in her latest drop on Instagram. The 28-year-old actress made sure to not miss a beauty beat as she dished out a super glam peachy nude makeup look that worked in perfect symphony with her waterfall waves. Janhvi Kapoor proved that she is the internet's darling and a poster girl for all things beauty with her latest beauty offering. The Divara Part 1 star made sure to make heads turn with her peachy nude glam that featured a beaming base with a flawless foundation, bushy brows, a wash of shimmery peach eyeshadow on her eyelids, lots of mascara for wispy lashes, a noodle eyeliner rimmed in her waterline, a peachy pink radiant blush swept across her cheeks and the tip of her nose, and a glossy peach lip color to add the perfect punch of spring ready color to her face. Janhvi Kapoor's hair matched steps with her makeup of the day. Her dresses were styled in perfect center parted open waves that meandered over her shoulders and framed her face just right. Janhvi Kapoor's shimmer eyelids and glossy peach lips made for the perfect spring glam. Janhvi Kapoor's shimmer eyelids and glossy peach lips made for the perfect spring glam. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.